Looking for a broker with global reach, flexible trading conditions, and powerful platforms? In this video, we are going to be having a look at FXview, a broker that has quickly built a strong reputation for offering ultra-low spreads, fast execution, and a transparent trading environment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. FXview is a multi-regulated, award-winning ECN Forex and CFD broker that's quickly earning a reputation among traders worldwide. Founded in 2017, FXview operates from global hubs like South Africa and Cyprus, backed by licenses from the FSCA and the CYSEC. With access to over 500 instruments, FXview rounds out its offering with a robust set of traders' tools, VPS hosting, API trading, economic calendars, indicator packages, as well as automated trading capabilities and even social trading options through Zulu Trade. The broker has quickly built a strong reputation for offering ultra-low spreads, fast execution speeds, and a transparent trading environment. FXview gives traders access to a wide range of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, making it easy to diversify and explore different strategies all in one place. With over 70 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, traders can take advantage of ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips with leverage up to 1 to 500. The platform also offers CFDs on popular commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas, along with major global indices such as the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and DAX. Stock traders can access hundreds of equity CFDs from top companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, while crypto enthusiasts can trade leading digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Whether you're into short-term scalping or long-term investing, FXview provides the tools and market access to suit a variety of trading styles, all with competitive pricing and reliable execution. The broker operates under strong regulatory oversight, giving traders confidence and security. It's regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, or CYSEC, and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or FSCA, in South Africa. FXview is also registered with several other global authorities through its parent company. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts, and the broker enforces strict compliance with KYC and anti-money laundering policies. As a member of the Financial Commission, FXview also offers independent dispute resolution and compensation coverage. The broker prioritizes transparency and trader protection across all its operations. Additionally, to safeguard user data and transactions, FXview uses advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and regular security audits operating in the EU. FXview complies with MiFID2 transparency, standards, and practices in the Investor Compensation Fund. The broker offers several attractive promotions designed to enhance clients' capital and reward loyalty. First up is their 100% deposit bonus, which is available for all clients outside of Europe, where depositing $200 or more doubles your trading funds instantly when you fund your account with at least $200 up to a $20,000 cap. The bonus is credited immediately and boosts your trading margin without affecting your withdrawal eligibility, and you can withdraw profits made using the bonus anytime. Next, their loyalty program rewards activity with points. New users receive 50 free points upon registration and funding, then earn anywhere between 4 to 7 points per lot, depending on the tier, which include bronze through diamond. Points can be redeemed for cool technology, gadgets, funding perks, VPS discounts, and FXview merch. On top of that, the Refer a Friend program gives you and any successful referral $20 each. There is no cap on how many friends you can invite. From doubling your deposit, earning tiered rewards as you trade, to cashing in via referrals, FXview's bonuses helps clients maximize rewards alongside their trading ambitions. FXview also offers a rewarding affiliate program with flexible commission models, including CPA, revenue share, and hybrid options. Affiliates can earn up to $800 per qualified referral, plus monthly bonuses for high performance. The program includes a real-time tracking portal, multilingual marketing tools, and dedicated support. With FXview's global reach and strong regulatory backing, it's a great opportunity for content creators, influencers, and finance professionals to monetize their audience. The broker empowers traders with a variety of trading platforms. The MetaTrader 5 trading platform, Act Trader, and social copy trading via Zulu Trade, delivering flexibility, advanced tools, and seamless multi-device access. For those who rely on industry standards, the MetaTrader platforms offer powerful charting, extensive technical indicators, automated trading via expert advisors, and one-click execution across desktop, web, and mobile applications. Act Trader stands out with its fully customizable interface, interactive risk management, virtual strategy builder, and intuitive one-click trading, ideal for traders who want a tailored trading experience. For traders interested in copy trading, FXview integrates with Zulu Trade at no subscription fee, allowing users to tap into a global community of strategy providers. All platforms are available across desktop, browser, and mobile, ensuring you can trade wherever and whenever inspiration strikes. The broker also offers a mobile application, which delivers a seamless on-the-go trading experience that mirrors the full functionality of its desktop and web platforms. The app lets you trade a variety of instruments, while offering real-time quotes, intuitive navigation, and easy access to your account, orders, and history. With straightforward deposit and withdrawal options, push notifications, and full trade execution capabilities, FXview's mobile application ensures you never miss a market opportunity, even while on the go. Additionally, FXview offers a powerful trader's toolbox packed with advanced features to boost your trading performance. Some key tools include automated alerts and trade management with their Alarm Manager, risk control through their correlation matrix, and direct Excel integration for data analysis. Additional tools like Mini Terminal, Sentiment Trader, and Session Maps streamline execution and decision making. Traders also benefit from free virtual private server hosting and API access for automated and high-frequency trading. Together, these tools provide a tech-driven, flexible trading experience tailored for all skill levels. FXview offers a range of account types designed to suit traders of all levels and styles. Their raw ECN account provides ultra-tight spreads from 0.0 pips, paired with low commissions of $2 per lot, delivering true ECN pricing and deep liquidity. The premium ECN account caters to high-volume traders, offering raw spreads and reduced commissions of just $1 per lot, plus additional benefits like priority support. All accounts come with flexible leverage, fast execution, and access to a wide range of instruments. They also offer an Islamic swap-free trading account that complies with Sharia law. By eliminating overnight interest charges, it features competitive spreads starting from 0.6 pips, $1 commission per lot, and leverage up to 1 to 500, available on MetaTrader, with a low $50 deposit. This account also includes negative balance protection, making it a great choice for traders who want to trade ethically without sacrificing on quality or flexibility. Their demo account allows traders to practice and refine their skills in a risk-free environment, with access to real-time market conditions and a virtual balance. Users can explore FXview's platforms, test strategies, and familiarize themselves with the trading interface before committing real funds. This is an excellent opportunity for both beginners to learn the ropes and experienced traders to experiment with new techniques. Additionally, the broker offers powerful multi-account manager and percentage allocation management module account solutions, ideal for professional money managers and investors looking for a streamlined, scalable way to manage multiple trading accounts. With a single master account, managers can execute trades across unlimited sub-accounts, with automatic real-time allocation based on equity, lot size, or percentage. FXview's MAM and PAM systems support both manual and algorithmic trading strategies, allowing full flexibility, including hedging and scalping. Investors benefit from transparent reporting, the ability to monitor performance in real time, and secure fund management with segregated accounts. Whether you're managing client portfolios or investing in a proven strategy, FXview's MAM and PAM platform provides a professional-grade solution for efficient account management. Creating an account with FXview is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Register button. Next, create your account and fill out your personal information. Once your account has been created, you will simply be redirected to the FXview client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, contact support, view trading tools, educational resources, and more. If you are wanting to create a live account, you will need to verify and activate that specific type of account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have chosen your preferred trading account type and have created your account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FXview. On the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily view and switch between all of FXview's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the trading chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and technical indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to either the Act Trader or MetaTrader platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on FXview's educational section to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. FXview provides a wide range of convenient and secure deposit and withdrawal methods tailored to meet the needs of traders around the globe. You can fund your account using popular options such as Visa and MasterCard, credit or debit cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, bank wire transfers, as well as cryptocurrencies, including USDT, Ethereum, and USDC. Most deposit transactions are processed instantly, allowing you to start trading without delay, although bank transfers may take anywhere from 1 to 7 business days to clear. When it comes to withdrawals, the broker supports the same variety of methods, ensuring flexibility and ease of access to your funds. E-wallet and card withdrawals are typically processed within minutes to hours, while bank transfers may require up to a week. FXview does not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals, but traders should be aware that third-party payment providers might apply their own fees. All transactions are protected by advanced security protocols, helping to ensure your funds and personal information remain safe throughout the process. Their funding options are designed to be reliable, fast, and accessible, helping traders focus on their strategies rather than payment hassles. FXview offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools to support traders at all levels. Their Education Center provides a structured learning path covering essential topics from Forex basics to advanced trading strategies. Traders can deepen their knowledge through live webinars where experts discuss chart patterns, market movements, and trading techniques. Additionally, FXview's blog section features articles on various trading aspects, including risk management, common trading mistakes, and insights into different trading instruments. For those who are brand new to trading, FXview also offers a Forex glossary to familiarize themselves with key terms. With these resources, the broker ensures that traders have the tools and knowledge to navigate the markets confidently. Additionally, the broker also provides traders with timely and insightful market analysis to inform their trading decisions. Their Market Insights section offers real-time updates on popular instruments, delivering concise and informative market analysis to help traders follow the markets with ease. Their blog covers a wide range of topics as mentioned earlier, including technical analysis, trading strategies, and market trends, providing traders with valuable educational content. And for those who are interested in specific events, FXview's news and announcements page keeps traders up to date with the latest developments and company news, including achievements, announcements, and events. These resources are designed to keep traders informed and equipped with the knowledge to navigate the dynamic financial markets. Over the past few years, FXview has earned multiple prestigious awards that highlight its commitment to excellence. In 2022, FXview was honored as the best global CFD broker at the Forex Expo in Dubai, marking their third major industry accolade within a year, following wins as the best value broker in 2021 and the most trusted broker in mid-2022. In 2023-24, FXview continued its streak and was named the best broker MEA at the UF Awards MEA in 2024. During the IFX Expo in Dubai, and also received the Best ECN STP Broker in Africa at the FAME Awards in 2024, as well as many other awards. These accolades underscore FXview's focus on delivering institutional-level execution, tight ECN pricing, and outstanding client support across regions. Overall, FXview is a broker that truly blends technology, transparency, and trader-focused services into a seamless trading experience. With its strong regulatory foundation through the CYSEC and FSCA and other global bodies, FXview offers the security and trust traders need to operate with confidence in today's fast-moving markets. From its ultra-low trading costs and raw ECN pricing to a wide selection of platforms, FXview caters to a diverse range of trading styles and experience levels. Add in powerful trading tools, automated solutions, and a robust loyalty program that actually rewards your trading activity, and it's clear that FXview is more than just another broker. You'll also get access to swap-free Islamic accounts, demo accounts for risk-free practice, a full library of educational content, as well as market news and technical analysis to support your growth as a trader. Their no-fee deposit and withdrawal policy, combined with quick processing and multi-currency support, makes managing your funds straightforward and efficient. On top of that, FXview continues to be recognized on the global stage with multiple industry awards, proving their commitment to innovation, client satisfaction, and sustainable growth. So whether you're just getting started or looking to switch to a broker that truly puts traders first, FXview is definitely worth considering. And that is our overview of FXview. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.